In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Lens to read text. So the first thing to do is open Google Lens. So search for it on your actual phone. It can be downloaded from the Google Play Store. I'm not sure about the App Store, but it can definitely be used on the Android devices. So when you download it, look for the icon, Google Lens, open it. It defaults to search there at the bottom. Just choose text and then point the camera over the text. It's a book, could be anything. Make sure that you are aligned correctly. So as you can see here now, I don't have any background shadowing. I don't have any glaring. If I hold it over directly, you will see that there is shadowing, which may negatively impact on the text and on the quality of the narration. Now, another aspect to point out is that the quality of the text that's captured is dependent on the quality of your phone and the camera on the phone. So that's something to bear in mind. And that is basically it. So you just press the button in the middle there, take a photograph. So I have that there, and I just press the photograph. And then I press listen.
Interface function introduction. PD port. The function of the PD port is to power supply the display. It does not have the function of transmitting signals.
And then I press pause, and there you have it. I like the fact that it's highlighting the text as it goes along. I like the fact that you can shoot it anywhere and press the text to speech, let it read back. Again, just bear in mind the quality of the camera, the quality of the phone that you're using, primarily used on Android, but I think you possibly can try it on the iOS as well. But iPhones have their own specific features for reading text. So that is it, and thank you for watching.